typing is an essential after dictation. Try exam-oriented typing tests, check accuracy, number of errors, gain speed, and more. Complete the typing test in a given time. Read dictation materials. Subscribe to get contents via mail. Purchase shorthand journals and more.
Madam, I am on a point of order. The points I wish to make are to my belief of substance because there are no rules or precedents that exist on it. However, you might rule on them after you have heard my explanation. They will be setting precedents on the subjects. The very first question that I would like to raise, and I have already written to you about this, is the procedure and the method to be adopted while taking up a report of the House for consideration, particularly when it is the report of the Joint Parliamentary Committee. Here, I would like to make a distinction between the methodology that is being adopted today and that which has been adopted by our Parliament ever since it came into existence. I hold that it is for the first time ever that we are considering the report of a Joint Parliamentary Committee through a medium of a short duration discussion. A short duration discussion in this House, or I believe Rule 193 in the other House, is a parliamentary device for arriving views, for expressing or giving voice to a concern which is of some immediate public importance. This method adopted for discussing that which is the substantial enterprise of the two houses of Parliament, irrespective of the contents of the report, is unsatisfactory. If this were merely to be discussed through the medium or the parliamentary device of short duration discussion, I do not think we are doing justice to report of a Joint Parliamentary Committee. Now, we would have accepted, and it would have been normal to accept that in as important a matter as the report of a Joint Parliamentary Committee, the government had come forward with a substantive motion that they accepted the report or not should have been made known to the House. Had they come forward with a substantive motion, perhaps some of us might have given motion of amendments. I have personally given notice of the motion, yet no day was named. My esteemed colleague has also given notice of the motion that this report be considered on a substantive motion and not through the medium of a short duration discussion. Had that been done, we would have been entitled to the following on some of the amendments that I have moved.